Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
So, what is written after AMP and
Okay, time. You wait for some time. Okay, let us discuss. This part is strictly based on NCERT. Okay. As you know that phytohormones divided into two groups: growth promoting substances and growth inhibiting substances. Am I right, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So growth promoting substances and growth inhibiting substances. And this growth promoting substances, growth inhibiting substances, they are in the form of a cage. Correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
A for auxins, C for cytokinins, A for acetic acid, G for gibberellins, and E for ethylene. It is like a cage. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in this cage, growth promoting substances are mainly the which one, Nana?
Auxins,
Cytokinin,
gibberellins, cytokinins.
A, C. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So today's my topic is related to growth promoting substances, that is cytokinins. If you pronounce the cytokinins, just like that in the book it is given, cytokinin means you cannot understand anything. If slowly, if you pronounce, array something, this word is related. Yes, that is related. You come across in first year, that is in cell division.
Cytokinin.
Division of cytoplasm is known as.
Cytokinesis.
So that means here itself you got the definition for the cytokines.
Yes, sir.
You got it? Here itself we got the definition. What is the definition? Cytokinins are a class of growth promoting hormone, primarily concerned with cell division or cytokinesis. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is a class of growth promoting substance, primarily concerned with cell division or cytokinesis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This was discovered by Cook and Miller. Who discovered?
Cook and Miller.
What they did, you know? They isolated the DNA molecule from the sperm cell of a marine fish. The name of that marine fish is known as herring fish. What is the name?
Herring fish.
Herring. Herring is a marine fish. From which cell of the marine herring fish they isolated DNA?
Sperm cell.
Sperm cell. From the sperm cell of herring fish, they isolated the DNA molecule and they autoclaved. They broken down into number of pieces. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
One of that piece they added to the nutrient medium. That nutrient medium, it contains explant that results in the multiplication, cell division, induces the cell division. Oh, the fragment which is isolated from the herring fish, sperm cell of herring fish, that is having the ability to induce the cell division. First time they discovered. Who discovered? Cook and
Miller.
chemically that they named it as kinetin. They discovered and they named it as kinetin. Kinesis. Kinesis means division. Karyokinesis means karyo means division. Kinesis, nucleus. Nucleus division. Cyto means cell or cytoplasm. Kinesis, division. Cytoplasmic division or cell division. Followed up. So they use, it is induces the fragment of DNA when it is added to the culture medium that induces the cell division, rapid cell division. So they name it as kinetin. But chemically, what is that actually? It is N6-furfuryl aminopurine. Chemically, what is that kinetin? It is nothing but a N6.
Furfuryl aminopurine.
What is aminopurine? Which is aminopurine? What is other name for N6-furfuryl aminopurine? What is other name?
Anything.
What is that?
Adenine.
Adenine is a type of
Purine.
Purine. Purine is a nitrogen base. Nitrogen base has two types, no? Purines and pyrimidines.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Purines and pyrimidines. When I told you when you study in AG college, you will get TC. Then UC. I told you.
Yes.
A for adenine, G for guanine, purines. Thymine, cytosine, uracil. These are pyrimidines. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, cytokinin comes under purine, pyrimidine kesa.
Purine.
Pyramidine.
Going bonda. Pyrimidine na
Purine, sir.
Purine.
purine. Which purine? Purines two types, no?
Adenine.
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 So, what is the chemical name of adenine?
N6 phosphoryl amino purine.
Aminopurine.
Followed up?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is the name they used? These fellows, these two, Skoog and Miller?
Kinetin.
Anatine.
Right. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
But the term cytokinin coined by
Miller.
Miller. Who coined the term cytokinin?
Miller.
Miller.
Okay. Types of cytokinins. How many types? I mentioned 3 types. What is this?
Kinetin.
Where from this is isolated?
Sperm cell of a marine fish.
Sperm cell of marine fish.
And from cell of it is a DNA molecule which is autoclaved. Yes or no? That is broken down into number of pieces. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that means it is naturally occur in the living organism.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ni bonda. It occur naturally in the living organism. Broken pieces are found in the sperm cell of herring fish.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No.
Kinetin is a piece of DNA molecule, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Piece of DNA, fragments of DNA present in the sperm cell.
No,
No,
sir.
No.
They isolated the DNA molecule from the sperm cell. This is the DNA. What is these bloody fellows did? They broken down into pieces. These pieces are present.
No, sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Apple plant produces apple fruit. And how you are eating? By making into pieces. Those pieces are present on the plant body.
No,
No,
sir.
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 So you are telling like that only. So that means kinetin is neither natural nor synthetic. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Yes, sir.
So this is very, 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 very important. Kinetin is neither
Natural.
Natural, not
Natural, not
Not
synthetic.
synthetic.
first time Leatham he isolated a natural cytokinin from
Corn.
Corn.
what is the name for kernel?
Coconut milk.
Coconut is different, corn is different. Corn, other name,
Maize plant.
Maize.
their scientific name. So that's why he used the term.
Zeatin.
Zeatin.
So zeatin is a natural cytokinin isolated from
Maize.
Corn kernels.
corn kernel or
Maize.
Maize.
maize kernel or
Zeamin.
Maize.
maize kernel. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
That means they are immature seeds. Which seeds?
Immature seeds.
Immature seeds. And also coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich source of
Endosperm.
Endosperm.
cytokinin. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are right. Endosperm. Coconut milk means endosperm. That endosperm of coconut is rich source of which phytohormone?
Cytokinin.
Cytokinins.
If you add the coconut water to the nutrient medium, culture medium, it induces the cell division. Because it is rich source of
Cytokine.
Cytokinins.
So which is the natural cytokinin?
Zeatin.
Zeatin.
Who isolated?
Latham.
Latham.
From which plant?
Maize
Maize
and
plant.
coconut milk.
So corn kernels and coconut. Synthetic oxygens are BAP and BA. You know BAP? Oi,
No, sir.
BAP means बाप माँ और बाप
Father.
father father qualification become a BSc या BA ना
BA.
BA father qualification is BA बाप full form benzyl aminopurine okay ना
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what is the full form please tell me
Benzyl aminopurine.
benzyl aminopurine that is the full form of
BAP.
BA Bachelor of Arts
No, sir.
Yes.
no benzyl adenine okay na
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so BAP and BA are
Synthetic.
Cytokine.
zeatin is a
Natural.
Natural
Cytokine.
kinetin is a
Neither
natural
natural
nor
nor
synthetic.
cytokine.
you should not forget this is very important okay na
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
next what is the chemical nature of cytokines it is a derivative of just now I told you it is a
Aminopurine.
what is other name for aminopurine
Adenine.
adenine okay na adenine tRNA where it is present they are isolated from the adenine of tRNA okay where it is synthesized site of synthesis okay synthesized it from where from it is synthesized what is the full form of ATP
Adenosine
Triphosphate.
AMP
Adenosine monophosphate.
monophosphate.
their adenine is present no
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so it is isolated from the synthesized from
AMP.
and also isopentenyl pyrophosphate okay na
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
where it is synthesized okay cytokine is concerned with cell division no
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very rapid cell division happens.
wherever rapid cell division occurs then cytokinesis is the site of synthesis where root apices
Sure.
developing shoot buds axillary bud terminal buds okay na
Yes, sir.
terminal bud AXB axillary buds so there it is among there it is synthesized and young fruits
Fruits.
etc and particularly they rich in where
Embryo.
embryo so embryo undergoes division or rapid cell division no
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so how it is able to undergo rapid cell division continuously because of presence of
Cytokinase.
followed up
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
transportation how they will turn auxins and cytokinase only these two they show polar movement remaining three non-polar movement okay na
Yes, sir.
so it shows polar movement that is basic petal means from root to shoot
Sure.
but remember auxin shows bipolar movement shoot to root is dominant also root to shoot very less so here dominant which one root to shoot quite opposite to the auxins here if you see this is the shoot this is the root auxin synthesis more at the shoot apex here this type of but in the case of cytokine more synthesized here moving like base to apex it is moving that's why they name basic okay na
Yes, sir.
so transportation polar movement that is basic petal movement okay na
Yes, sir.
Physiological functions. What are the physiological functions? As per your NCERT syllabus. Helps to produce new leaves. Chloroplast, chlorophylls, chloroplast in leaves. So, when cytokinin is more in amount in the leaves, those leaves are dark green in color. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
When the amount of cytokinin is more in the leaves, so that means leaves are dark green. So it helps to produce new leaves. Chloroplast in the leaves. When chloroplast in the leaves, more amount of chlorophyll is present. Hence, they are dark green in color. Okay, na? That you remember. They promote lateral shoot growth and adventitious shoot formation. Okay, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
They induces lateral shoot growth. Lateral shoot growth means axillary buds are present no, in the axil of the leaf.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you see this is the plant body. This is the shoot apex, apical bud. This is the leaf. In the ear, what is this?
Axillary bud.
This axillary bud develops into
Flower.
lateral branch, no, Niyawa?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, lateral shoot growth, lateral branch from the axillary bud. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lateral shoot growth, adventitious shoot formation. Okay? Helps to overcome.
Apical dominance.
This is the antagonistic to which phyto?
Auxins.
Auxins promotes apical dominance, no, no, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And this apical dominance, what happened? It is suppressing the growth of axillary buds, no?
Yes, sir.
As a result, lateral buds are not developing into lateral branches, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, if the cytokinin concentration increases inside the axillary buds, so they are promoting the
Lateral growth.
Actually,
and overcoming the
Apical.
apical dominance.
followed a very important. Next,
Delay senescence.
Delay senescence in leaves.
what I said?
Delay senescence.
Delay senescence in leaves.
Delay senescence. So it will delay the senescence. Delay senescence means what is senescence?
Falling off of leaves. Old age. Aging.
Oi. Falling off foliage means abscission.
Okay, sir. Oh, aging.
This process is known as
Senescence.
the process of aging is known as
Senescence.
senescence. The time period from maturity to death, that period is known as what I said. The time period from maturity to death is known as that period is known as that phase is known as senescence. I may see once I matured, I become adult. The time period from adult to death, that is the senescence. When I become an adult, many changes occur, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will show growth. My growth is stopped, no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
My age became graying, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My skin become glowing,
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
so wrinkled skin is formed, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My metabolic activities are decreased, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ultimately, it leads to the old age and death, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You got it, huh? So that is known as senescence. So this cytokine, what it is doing?
Delaying.
Delaying it.
Delaying senescence. Followed, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the ability of cytokinase. Hey, remember, this question is compulsory. Maybe if I am a paper cell, definitely I will frame this question. The ability of the cytokinins to delay the senescence, to delay the process of senescence is known as Richmond-Lang effect. Which effect?
Richmond-Lang.
Richmond-Lang effect. Richmond-Lang. It was discovered by scientists. Who? Richmond? Lang. So it is named as Richmond-Lang effect. What is Richmond-Lang effect?
Delaying senescence.
Delaying senescence induced by cytokines.
The ability of the cytokinins to delay the process of senescence. Delay senescence means, that is correct answer. Auxin is delaying, ethylene is delaying, abscisic acid is delaying, GA is delaying. Which one?
Cytokine.
You should use the term.
Cytokinin.
The ability of cytokinins to delay the process of senescence in plants or in leaves is known as
Richmond-Lang effect.
Richmond-Lang effect.
Richmond-Lang. Followed up?
Yes.
How it is delaying? By nutrient
Mobilization.
Mobilization.
by nutrient mobilization. Okay, na? So that means it improves the phloem conduction also. Which conduction?
Phloem conduction.
Nutrient mobilization by phloem only, no? Hey, food method translocation takes place by
Phloem.
Phloem.
xylem or phloem.
Phloem.
So that it improves phloem
Conduction.
conduction. Okay, na? Which phytohormone improves the phloem conduction?
Cytokinin.
Cytokinins. How cytokinins delays the senescence process in leaves?
By nutrient
mobilization.
By nutrient mobilization, nutrient movements. Okay, na? Any
Yes.
doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. You read this trick.
पीएनएम दिल्ली से ओडा लखनऊ।
फिर एक बार बोलो।
पीएनएम दिल्ली से ओडा लखनऊ।
पीएन मिश्रा, क्या नाम है भाई?
पीएन मिश्रा।
पी नरसिम्हा राव. Okay. Who is P Narasimha Rao? You know?
Former Prime Minister, sir.
Okay. P.N. Mishra, P.V. Narasimha Rao, anything. दिल्ली से उड़ा. कहाँ भाई?
लखनऊ.
लखनऊ।
Okay ना? चलो पढ़ो.
promote nutrient mobilization.
Over.
Yes.
That is delay senescence, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
दिल्ली से delay of
Senescence.
okay ना? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Here overcomes
Apical dominance.
apical dominance. Okay na? Overcomes
Yes, sir.
apical dominance. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Overcomes apical dominance. तो कहाँ भाई?
लखनऊ।
Lateral shoot growth is there? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Lateral shoot growth is there where I was written? Lateral shoot growth, adventitious shoot formation. Okay na? All points cover? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So most important points almost I covered. PN Misra, Delhi से उड़ा कहाँ भाई?
Lucknow.
Lucknow. From Lucknow, we went to Srinagar. Srinagar. Okay, na? Srinagar means shoot. Okay, na? Adventitious shoot formation. You can remember. Any doubt, bhai?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So, little bit more we should discuss. Okay, box item. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what's the last word, sir?
Lucknow.
Lateral shoot growth. After that, what did you write, sir?
Lateral shoot growth and adventitious shoot formation. बोले तो Srinagar shoot formation. Okay, na?
Yes.
Shall I erase? Are here any concept is there?
No, sir.
Huh? Are please audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Any concept is there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ni bonda. Even in the absence of me, if you buttify, you can get the answers, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is photosynthesis topic, respiration topic where you require concept explanation.
No,
It is
sir.
like photosynthesis respiration topic.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is most easiest chapter, no?
Yes, sir.
And most deadliest
Yes.
chapter also, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you cannot remember.
Yes, sir.
You get confused. So for this topic, you should require continuous revision. Repeated revision. Okay, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Some additional information we discuss. Okay, na? Apart from your NCERT textbook. Okay. It plays very important role, as I told you, cell division. Primary function, major function is the
Cell division.
major function is the cell division and also cell elongation. Forward. Next. Morphogenesis means organ formation. Organogenesis. So what is this means? It is nothing but a organ formation. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Organ formation. Okay. Okay. See, Nana, in tissue culture technique, you are preparing a artificial synthetic nutrient medium. Okay, na? You
Yes,
got it
sir.
up. This is the nutrient medium. In this nutrient medium, you are taking the auxiliary bulb. Okay? Which word?
Auxiliary bulb.
Auxiliary bulb. Okay? Auxiliary bulb. This is the second diagram. Just to make you understand. I'm drawing. This is the third diagram. Okay. Very good. Callus. Undifferentiated mass of cells. Artificially, in the laboratory, inside the glass vessel or a test tube, we are developing a new plantlet. Okay, na? How this new plantlet means root, stem, leaves, axillary bud, terminal bud. These all constitute the plant body, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shoot means stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, all together, birds, these all together form the shoot system. Underground root system as you know. So, cytokinins in association with, this is important, cytokinins in association with auxins promotes morphogenesis, organogenesis. Genesis means formation. Formation of what?
Organs.
Organs. Organs means shoot and
Root.
shoot means stem, leaves, birds, flowers, etc. Okay, now? So in tissue culture technique, you are taking some explant like callus. This is a nutrient medium. Suppose if the nutrient medium, to the nutrient medium, if you are supplying the, if you are maintaining the high concentration of
Cytokinin.
two,
Low auxins.
that results in
Lateral.
Collagenesis.
what I written.
Collagenesis.
Collagenesis means shoot formation. Which formation?
Shoot
Root
formation.
formation.
What is not formed?
Root.
So for shoot formation, what is required?
High
High
concentration.
High
cytokinin.
concentration of cytokinesis and low concentration
High
of
concentration is to
Low concentration of auxins.
what are these?
Roots.
Rhizome is roots, no?
Yes, sir.
Adventitious roots are formed, no? Yes or no? From the explant, roots are formed, no? What is not formed here?
Shoot.
Shoot. When it is formed? Followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is yes, sir? Low?
Cytokinin to
High auxin.
That results in
Root
Lysogenesis.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Suppose from this test tube you take this plant, this shoot, and put it in the another nutrient medium. This is supplied with low CK by high oxygen. What happened?
Root growth.
Root formation.
Root formation. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now complete plantlet is formed, no?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, if you take this one, put it in the nutrient medium, separate. Now it is supplied with high CK,
Cytokinin.
low oxygen.
Auxin. Shoot.
shoot. No plantlet is formed, no complete plant. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here organ differentiation is seen, no, root, stem, leaves, branches, flowers, like that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In my diagram, flower formation, I'm not showing. Leaves, buds, stem, I'm showing. Yes, sir? So, which phytohormone responsible for morphogenesis or organogenesis?
Cytokinin and
Cytokinins in
auxin.
association with auxin.
With different concentrations. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Pakka, you remember? Which one you will remember? Which one you like? Collagenesis or isogenesis?
Collagenesis.
Collagen.
Collagenesis.
Colline means stem. So, Pakka, you remember collagenesis. Collagenesis means
Shoot formation.
how
Shoot
shoot formation is
High
High
cytokinins,
Okay,
low
low
oxygen.
oxygen.
High cytokinins, low oxygen.
enough. Don't remember this one. Automatically, if you remember this one, you will get this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you remain both, there is a chance that you can do mistake. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
100% if you are thorough, collagenesis, ICK is too low. Oxygen, yes. Lysogenesis. Opposite for the lysogenesis. Okay, na? Like that you can remember. Any doubt related to this? This was
No.
first observed by Fuchs. What is the name of the scientist?
Scoop.
Next. Another important one. Stomatal opening. Which opening, Nana?
Stomatal opening.
Stomatal opening. This is antagonistic to ABA. You learn in transpiration. Abscisic acid is a natural anti-transpirant that brings the closure of stomata. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So cytokinins results in opening of
Stomata.
opening of stomata. When stomatal opening takes place,
Please.
when K plus ion accumulation takes place inside the guard cell. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So these are the guard cell, these are substances. The cell membrane of guard cell making the membrane more permeable to the which ions?
K plus ions.
Potassium.
K plus ions are easily, rapidly moving into the.
Guard cell.
So that results in the opening of stomata, no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir.
Which phytohormone helps in opening of stomata?
Cytokinin.
Which phytohormone responsible for closing of stomata?
ABA.
Remember. Cytokinin is antagonistic to auxin with respect to apical dominance. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cytokinin is antagonistic to ABA with respect to stomatal opening. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Last point. There are commercial utilization, agriculture and horticulture application. Agriculture and horticulture applications. Commercial use. How commercial it is exploited. Okay. Shelf life. Which life? Shelf life period. In the case of leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables like spinach, lettuce, etc. Second one, where you put the flowers? Where you will decorate flowers, please? Hare. Where you will put flowers by?
Here.
Where, Nana?
God,
Ida.
sir.
In water, sir.
Pot. What is the pot you use inside the home? not outside.
Vase. Was.
Ah,
Flower.
flower vase or vase. Vase or vase. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It increases the, enhances the shelf life of period of
Flower.
what, Nana?
Flower.
Flower was.
Flower. Better I can write. Was life period. Okay, na? Like poinsettia. Poinsettia. What is one of the best example I can go? Most of diameters. Okay. These are some of the examples. Okay. See, shelf life nowadays. Okay. No, when you purchase the leafy vegetable, your mother, your father, yourself, where you will put?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. In the shelves of the refrigerator. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Refrigerator
Yes,
contains
sir.
shelves, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shelves. You cannot put it in the flower vases, no?
Yes.
Yes or no, Abhay?
Yes, sir.
Leafy vegetables can be in shelves, but not in vase. Okay. Suppose you are cultivating if you are an agriculturist, you are having 5 acres of land. In this 5 acres of land, you cultivated spinach crop. Which crop?
Spinach.
Spinach, leafy vegetable. When spinach cultivated in 5 acres of land, consumer acceptability is not there. But your yield is more. If yield is more, consumer acceptability, market price is down, consumer acceptability is less, then you want to store for longer period of time without spoilage. Yes or no?
Yes,
Then
sir.
in that condition, what as a farmer, what you should do before harvesting the leafy vegetable crop, you should give the foliar spray. Which spray, Nana? Foliar spray. Foliar spray means on the sun before harvesting, pre-harvest, not post-harvest. Pre-harvest, before cutting the crop, foliar spray. If you spray the cytokinins on these leafy vegetables, and if you harvest and if you put in the shelves, it can remain fresh for longer period of time without losing its freshness. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it enhances the shelf life period. Shelf life period enhances means it increases the freshness without spoiling. Okay, na? So leafy vegetable remain fresh for longer period of time without spoiling. That is known as the shelf life period. Next, vase life period. For example, poinsettia, dianthus, etc. Rose flowers. If you see rose flowers, this is the rose azure. What is this, Nana? Stem cutting, no? Rose cutting, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you dip this cutting, if you treat this with bark, bark solution, benzylamine solution. If you treat this cuttings of the flower cuttings and put it in the vase, it remains fresh for the longer period of time. It remains fresh for several days without wilting.
So that's what is there in those packets, sir.
Pardon?
They give packets along with the flowers, no, sir, to pour in the water.
Flowers? Pardon?
Generally, when we buy flowers, sir, they also give you some liquid, sir, to pour in the vase.
Vase. They will put and they will treat this with cytokinins. So that's why they look appears fresh for longer period of time. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So this is about the cytokinase. Tomorrow we go for the ethylene oxins. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
And,
much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.